How I brush my teeth. First, I fill my cup with water. I take the water to rinse my mouth. I wet my toothbrush. I then apply toothpaste on my toothbrush. Smile. I brush the bottom, top and sides of my teeth. I won't forget to brush my tongue. After brushing, I rinse my mouth. I won't swallow the water, I will spit it out. Now I will wash my toothbrush. I make sure to turn the water off. Lastly, I put my toothbrush away. My teeth are now clean. I take the water to rinse my mouth. I wet my toothbrush. First, I fill my cup with water. First, I fill my cup with water. I take the water to rinse my mouth. I wet my toothbrush.